Have you ever wondered why negative 5 degrees Celsius is actually colder than negative 1 degree Celsius? That's because when we order integers, the greater the negative number is an absolute value, the smaller it is. The absolute value of an integer is its distance from 0 on a number line. For example, the distance of negative 5 from 0 is 5, and distance of negative 1 from 0 is 1. In integers, we have three groups of numbers: positive integers, 0, and negative integers. On a number line, the farther right you go, the bigger the number gets. Consider negative 5 and negative 1, as negative 1 is on the right, so it is greater than negative 5. Let's take another example. Consider negative 3 and 0. As you can see, 0 is on the right of negative 3, so 0 is greater than negative 3. Now, to order and compare integers without the need of a number line, you can remember the following rule. There can be three scenarios for comparing two integers. Both integers are positive, including 0. Both integers are negative. Or one integer is positive or 0, and the second is negative. When both integers are positive, the number with the greater absolute value is greater. When both integers are negative, the number with the smaller absolute value is greater. When one integer is positive or 0 and the second number is negative, the positive number, or 0, will always be greater than the negative number. Keeping these rules in mind, let's compare some numbers. Here, we have negative 17 and negative 25. As negative 17 has the smaller absolute value, so negative 17 is greater than negative 25. If both numbers are positive, here positive 6 and positive 11, then the number with greater absolute value is greater, that is positive 11. Among negative 4 and positive 3, positive 3 is greater because when the numbers have opposite signs, the positive number is always greater. Let's try to order these numbers from smallest to largest. First, find the smallest number. The smallest number will be a negative number with larger absolute value. Here, negative 12. Then think about moving from negative 12 on a number line from left to right. What number from negative 12 will you reach? That is negative 7, and after that, negative 2. Similarly, the remaining numbers will be ordered as follows. To write the numbers in descending order, start from the largest integer. Keeping the rule and number line in mind, you can master comparing and arranging integers, either in ascending or descending order. One thing you need to remember, that comparing and ordering any number is same as with integers. Now your turn. Try ordering the following integers in descending order. Pause the video and comment your answer. In the next video, we will learn how to multiply or divide integers.